Installing the myQ Smart Garage Video Keypad is quick and easy. A few tips and tricks before we get started. The video keypad is provisioned in the myQ app. A Wi-Fi connection, mobile device with Bluetooth and myQ account will be required. Like most smart home devices, the video keypad will likely require an over-the-air update. This is part of the provisioning flow and won't take more than 2 minutes. When pairing to a garage door opener that is connected in the myQ app, pairing will happen in the app. If the opener is not connected, the Learn button on the opener will need to be pressed. Note that during the setup process, the PIN will need to be entered on the keypad as well as in the app. When pairing, there is a 30-second timeout. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. Let's get started. Remove the back battery plate from the keypad. Remove the battery and protective plastic shield and reinsert the battery. You'll need the homeowner's mobile device for this next part. Make sure they have downloaded the myQ app and created an account. Have them log in to the app. Tap the plus symbol in the bottom right corner. On the device setup screen, choose Video Solution, then choose the video keypad. If pairing to a myQ connected opener, select the opener and press Next. If the opener is not paired to myQ, follow the on-screen instructions to connect the opener to myQ. If the opener does not have Wi-Fi capability, select Continue without connecting the operator. On the What You Need screen, check the boxes and tap I'm ready. The LED will flash a sequence of colors. When the LED begins to flash blue, tap Next. When the app discovers the video keypad, it will appear on the screen. Tap the listed keypad. Once connected via Bluetooth, the LED will turn solid blue. Now, myQ will look for available networks. Tap the homeowner's network and enter the password. The LED on the camera will flash between blue and green as it attempts to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Stay close to the video keypad until you see the Added to Wi-Fi screen. The keypad is now connected and the LED should be solid green. Give the keypad a name, such as Video Keypad. The name can be changed anytime by the homeowner. Hit Done on the phone's keypad and then select Next. In the app, have the homeowner enter a 4- to 8-digit PIN that will be used to open the garage door. Tap Next. If the opener is myQ enabled, the opener will be put in Learn mode automatically. You will see the Program to Opener screen. On the keypad, enter the PIN code and press the Home button. After a brief moment, either the light on the opener will turn on or you will hear a clicking from the opener. Press Next. If the garage door opener is not connected to myQ, you will see the Program to Opener screen with a picture of a garage door opener and need to tap Next. Safety warning. The garage door will move during programming. Keep the path of the moving door clear of people and objects. Tap Next. Safely access the garage door opener, keeping the keypad within reach. Locate the Learn Program button on the side or bottom of the opener. See the diagram for possible locations. Once located, take note of the color and press Next. Select the color on the myQ app that matches the garage door opener's Learn button. Press and quickly release the Learn button. The light next to the Learn button will turn on. Do not hold the Learn button or you will erase the Learn transmitters and keypads. Tap Next. On the video keypad, enter the PIN number, then press the Home button in the bottom right. The opener's light will turn on or you will hear a click. Tap Next. There is a 30-second window to pair the video keypad before the learning process times out. If unsuccessful, press the button again and repeat this step. Now that the video keypad is paired, let's try it out. Enter the PIN followed by the Home button. When the garage door opens, tap Yes. If the door doesn't open, tap No, and the app will guide you through provisioning again. Now that the setup is complete, have the homeowner charge the battery until the charge indicator turns green. This may take up to 10 hours. If you need assistance during setup, help is a phone call away at the number on your screen. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster and myQ.